In this lecture, we are going to talk about the most important arrays-related methods. So first of all, we can create a one-dimensional array of integers. This is what we have been talking about in the previous lecture: 1, 5, 3, 10, 15, and 0. So in this case, this enums one-dimensional array of integers is going to store 1, 5, 3, 10, 15, and 0. If we want to print out this array, we can use the so-called arrays.toString, and we have to specify the one-dimensional array. And if we run the application, as you can see, we get the array we have defined here. What if we would like to sort the array? We have the arrays.sort method that's going to take a one-dimensional array as an argument, and after the sorting procedure, as you can see, this is the numerical order: 0, 1, 3, 5, 10, 15. We can do the same with strings. So if we have string names, for example, Adam, Kevin, then Joe, Nora, and something like this. If we sort this one-dimensional array of strings and we print out arrays.toString names, it's going to give the alphabetical ordering. Adam, Joe, Kevin, Nora is going to be the alphabetical order of the one-dimensional array of names. So with the help of this array sort, we can sort the given one-dimensional array. By the way, the algorithm itself is the quick sort for primitive types and merge sort for objects, because strings are objects. In this case, merge sort is the underlying sorting algorithm. Because these are primitive types, the quick sort is the underlying sorting algorithm. Both of these methods are extremely fast. They have ortho and log(n) running time complexity. Anyways, not that crucial. So this is how we can sort a given one-dimensional array of integers. We can use the so-called arrays.fill that's going to take a one-dimensional array, and we can specify the value with which we would like to fill that given array. So if we save and run the application, okay, sorry for that, of course we have to use the numbers. Something like this. As you can see, Java is going to fill the one-dimensional array of integers with the value we have specified. So that's why the array is going to contain values 10. Okay, if the array is sorted, so after we call the sort operation, then we can use the so-called, sorry for that, we have to specify the one-dimensional array. We can use binary search to find a given X item. So what if we would like to find the item 10 in this one-dimensional array? We have the result, which is arrays.binary search. We have to define the array and we have to specify the item we are looking for. Okay, so if we print out the result, it's going to yield the index of that given item. Because binary search is working on the sorted array, we have to deal with this array. So 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is the item we are looking for with value 10. What if we are looking for an item that's not present in the array? In this case, the return value is a negative value. In this case, it is -7. So if the result is smaller than 0, it means that the given item is not present in the one-dimensional array. Okay, then we are able to compare given arrays. So if we have nums2 with different values, for example, 5, 3, 2, and 1, we can check whether the given arrays are the same or not. So arrays.equals, we have to define the nums and the nums2. In this case, because the arrays store different values, that's why the result is going to be a false. But what if both of the arrays contain the same items? For example, we have 3 here and 5 here, but both the arrays contain the exact same items. Then in this case, as you can see, we get false. So the result is going to be true only if the items are the same and the order is the same. So in this case, we get true. So this equals method is going to return true if the items are the same and they are in the same order. Okay, then we can use copy arrays, so arrays.copy of, we can copy the first one-dimensional array, and for example the length is going to be 3. What does it mean? That if we print out the arrays.toString copy array, then the result is going to contain 3 items. So what does it mean? That we have managed to copy the first 3 items, because we have specified 3 here, from the nums array to the copy array. If we define the nums.length, it means that we are going to copy all the value from the nums to the copy array. So this copy of method is quite useful, and probably this is one of the most important methods of the arrays class. This is how we can copy a given one-dimensional array's content to another one-dimensional array. So these are the most important methods of arrays. Thanks for watching.